This is a GCSE Chemistry exam question about metal carbonates. Figure 10 shows the volume of gas produced when a group 2 metal carbonate is heated. And we've got the mass of the carbonate along the bottom and the volume of gas in decimeters cubed up the side. The question then says, the student collected 5.2 decimeters cubed of gas. What mass of the group 2 metal carbonate is heated? And we're going to work out the mass when it's worth 1 mark. So if we look at the graph, we know we've got 5.2 decimeters cubed of gas. So at the side, we know the scale goes from 0 to 2 and there's 5 divisions between that, so each division is worth 0.4, and we know we've got 5.2, so we go to 4 and then we count up, so we'll go 4.4, 4.8, 5.2. So once we've found 5.2, we draw a line across from 5.2 until we reach the line of best fit, and then we draw a line down until we get to the mass. And then we read the scale on the mass. So we've got 30 and there's 5 divisions for a 10 gram increase. So that means each division's worth 2. So we've got 32. So our answer would be 32 grams. Right, the second part of the question says calculate the mass of the group 2 carbonate used to produce 24 decimeters cubed of gas. Use your answer from question 4.5 to help you. So we know our answer from 4.5 is 32 grams. And that 32 grams was from 5.2 decimeters cubed of gas. We don't want 5.2 decimeters cubed of gas though, we want it for 24 decimeters cubed of gas. So we've got to get how many grams 1 decimeter cubed would produce. So we know 32 grams are made by 5.2 decimeters cubed. So if we divide 32 by 5.2, that'll tell us the amount per gram. And then we want it for 24. So therefore we multiply the answer we get per gram by 24, and that will give us an answer of 148 grams. So our answer would be 148. There is a second way we could do this calculation, which is using the graph. So we know we want 24 decimeters cubed. Now we haven't got, the graph doesn't go to 24 decimeters cubed, right? But we have got 12 decimeters cubed. So we could plot the volume of gas produced for 12 decimeters cubed. And again, take that down, read that off from the graph. So we know we'd get 74, 70 in 2 sections, so 74 grams for 12 decimeters cubed, but we don't want 12, we want 24, so we need to multiply this by 2. 74 times by 2 would equal 148 grams, which is exactly the same as the answer we got at the start. So using the graph to work out 5.2 decimeters cubed of gas, and then using our answer to work out for 24 decimeters cubed of gas would give us 3 marks.